In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove re-editing access in Google Forms. Let's get started by heading to Google Forms, where you've created your form that currently allows re-editing access by respondents. First, open your browser and navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't yet logged in, take a moment to do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where you can see all of your existing forms. Now, find and open the form from which you want to remove re-editing access. If you've got a lot of forms and are struggling to locate it, you can use the search function on the top bar to make things easier. Click on the form title to open it up. Now that your form is open, let's delve into adjusting the settings. At the top of the page, you'll see a gear icon, commonly recognized as the settings icon. Go ahead and click on this. This action will open up the settings menu, where you'll find various options for managing how your form is accessed and edited. Look for the tab that specifically addresses how respondents interact with your form, typically labeled as Responses or Collect Responses. This is where you control the permissions for your form. In this tab, there's an option that says Edit After Submit. This is the setting that currently allows respondents to re-edit their responses after they've submitted the form. It's usually a checkbox that is toggled on if re-editing is permitted. To remove the re-editing access, simply click the checkbox to uncheck or disable it. By doing this, you're ensuring that once a respondent submits their response, they won't be able to return and make changes to their answers. This is particularly useful in scenarios where you need to maintain the integrity of initial responses for assessments or final submissions. After you've made this change, don't forget to scroll down and click the Save button to ensure your new settings are applied. This step is crucial, as failing to save means the changes won't take effect, and respondents might still have re-edit access. Once you've saved, it's a good practice to go back to your form, reload the page, and check to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Try to submit a test response and confirm that the Edit After Submit link does not appear. This will give you peace of mind knowing the edit access has indeed been removed. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage respondent permissions in Google Forms by removing re-editing access. If you have any specific needs or encounter difficulties, Google's support page offers a wealth of additional resources to troubleshoot and explore more features. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your form management smoother and more secure. See you in the next video.